budget document is vitally important to your grant application. It will provide us with information regarding the many parts of your project, as well as how you plan to use the grant dollars should you be awarded. You should always use the template we provide, as this ensures that we collect the information that we want and need to fully review your application. Click on the link to download the grant budget template. Open the template and use the Save As feature of your program to rename the template to something relevant to your application, and then save it in a location so that you can easily find it when you are ready to upload it into your application. The proposed grant budget supplies the Council with three important pieces of information: the description and dollar values for all expenses related to your proposed project, the amount of ARAC funding you will be using to pay for each expense, and the sources of additional funding for the remainder of the project expenses not covered in the grant request. This program is a 15% matching program, which means that at least 15% of the total project cost must come from you as a cash match. If you are having trouble determining how much that should be, take your total project expenses and multiply them by 0.85. That is the maximum amount you can request from ARAC, which is in this column, up to $2,000, and the rest must be provided by you. Please note that in the template, there are some instructions for you to follow, such as rounding your line items to the nearest $10. It is recommended that you round numbers before determining your match. Additional instructions and details for filling out the budget can be found in the grant program guidelines. Once you have filled out the budget, save it to your computer, and then upload it into the file upload space provided in your application. In this section, we also want to know what other grants you have received in the past 2 years from either ARAC or the Minnesota State Arts Board. As it says, the purpose of this information is to provide additional background information on you, the applicant. Additionally to this, we request cost estimates for the items that you are purchasing or hope to purchase. Please upload printed quotations showing approximate prices of the equipment and technology to be purchased or contracted estimates for proposed services or training. Please note that these files must be uploaded as one document using one of the following file formats. When you have your quotes together, please upload it into the file upload location. Your quotes can come from screenshots from online marketplaces, invoices emailed to you by contractors, or other sources.